Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today I am going to talk about the difference between the genomics and the proteomics. By seeing the name, you might have heard about what is genomics and what is proteomics. If you see the basic definition of this genomics and proteomics and proteomics are very closely related, means almost associated terms in terms of fields also. Genomics is the study of the entire set of gene in a genome of a cells. So in one cell, whatever different genes we are having, whatever DNA we are having, so the study of all the genes of a cells is called as genomics. And the gene which is going to give you expressed in terms of protein. So proteomics is the study of the entire set of protein which is expressed from this DNA. So proteomics is the study of expressed protein and genomics is the study of complete set of genes. So we are going to see the differences between the genomics and the proteomics. The first difference between the genomics and proteomics is their definition. If you will see the definition of genomics, so genomics is the study of genome which refers to the complete set of gene or genetic material present in a cell or an organism. Because our body, a organism develops from a single cell, so every cell will have roughly same genes. So the complete set of gene of a cell or an organism is called as genomics. Simultaneously, proteomics is the branch of molecular biology that study the set of protein expressed by the genome of an organism. Normally in our DNA, all the genes are not going to give you proteins. There are some gene which is expressed in a specific cells, there are some genes which is expressed in different type of cells. So genes are going to be expressed in different cells indifferently. So the proteomics is the study of those expressed gene of an organism or a cell is called as proteomics. Second difference is unit under study. In case of genomics, we are going to study the function of genomes. In the proteomics, we are going to study the function of the proteomes. Proteomes means complete set of proteins. The third difference between genomics and proteomics is the nature of study material. The genome is constant. I have told you in one organism all the genes of every cell is same, so genome is constant. So every cell of organism have the same set of genes. Whereas the proteomics is a dynamic and varies. The set of protein produced in a different tissue varies according to the gene expressed. Like for example, insulin gene. We are having every cell of our body have insulin gene, but every cell does not produces insulin. Insulin is produced only by the pancreatic beta cells. Simultaneously, we are having different enzymes, different proteins is produced by a specific type of cells. So every gene is not going to be expressed in every cells. So proteomics is dynamic and it is varying according to the tissue, environment and the requirement of our body. Next difference is use of high throughput techniques. In both the cases, we are going to use high throughput techniques for their analysis, for their study. So in case of genomics, high throughput techniques are used in the genomics to map, sequence and analyze genomes. Similarly, in the proteomics, we are going to use high throughput techniques of the 3D structure and the function of proteins for that one. Then what are the techniques going to study involved in this study, in the study of genomics and the proteomics? The techniques involved in genomics includes the gene sequencing strategy like direct gene sequencing or whole genome shotgun sequencing, construction of expressed sequence tags ETS, identification of SNP single nucleotide polymorphism, analysis and interpretation of sequence data using different software and databases. At the same time, in case of proteomics, we are going to use different techniques for the study of proteins and their functions. So in the proteomics, the techniques involved like extraction and electrophoretic separation of proteins, digestion and degradation of proteins with the use of trypsin into small fragments, determination of amino acid sequencing by mass spectro and identification of protein using the information in the protein database. Then we are also using 3D structure of protein can be identified by different software based methods. The expression of protein can be studied by protein microarray. Protein network map can be developed to determine the protein-protein interactions. So these are the different techniques involved in genomics and proteomics. Next difference is types of genomics and the proteomics. Genomics normally have two different types. So genomics is divided into two categories, that is structural and functional genomics. What is structural genomics? Structural genomics is the study of the structure of all genes and its relative position on the chromosome. Whereas functional genomics is the study of function of all genes or the role of these genes in regulating the metabolic activity of a cells. So structural genomics is the position of the genes on the chromosomes, and functional genomics is the function of each genes and their proteins, their role in the metabolic activity. At the same time, proteomics have three different categories, that is structural proteomics, functional proteomics and expression proteomics. Structural proteomics is the study of the structure of proteins and their location in the cell, because every protein have different their destination is different. Proteins are expressed into the cytoplasm, but their destinations are different. Second one is functional proteomics. Functional proteomics is the study of function of all proteins, which primarily include protein-protein interaction and interaction of protein with the other biomolecules like carbohydrate, lipids, nucleic acid and some other biomolecules. And last one is expression proteomics. Expression proteomics is the study of identification and quantification of expression level of proteins of a cell at different developmental stage or at different environmental conditions. Just now I have told you every gene is not going to be expressed in every cells. So the expression of a particular gene in the protein depends on the environmental factors as well as different developmental stages. So these are the different types of genomics and proteomics. Then another difference in their important areas. So genome sequencing projects such as the Human Genome Project are the important area of genomics. When we are talking about the proteomics, proteome database developed such as Swiss 2D page and software developed for computer aided drug designings are the important area of proteomics. Then the importance, this is the last difference in the genomics and proteomics. Genomic studies are important to understand the structure, function, location, regulation of the genes of an organism. At the same time, proteomics is the study of entire set of protein produced by a cell. Type means a specific cell is done in order to understand the structure and function. So genomics is the study of genes, that a complete set of genes of an organism or a cell. Proteomics is the study of complete set of proteins expressed in a specific cells or a specific organism. So these are the basic differences between the genomics and proteomics. Hope you have understand it. If you have liked the video, press the like button. You can if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.